This segment is sponsored by Bill's Collision Service. Bill's Collision Service in Middlebury, Indiana, not only does great work in the shop, but is very generous with their time supporting organizations in the area like the Boys and Girls Clubs of Elkhart County. We are so lucky to have representatives from both parties this morning on Hometown Living. Let's welcome in Sam from the shop and Tami from the Boys and Girls Club. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
All right, how are things going at the shop since we last spoke, Sam?
Going good, staying busy, keeping everyone in, getting their cars done and fixed as quick as we can.
It really is amazing what you guys do in that shop, how you can turn like a dilapidated car into brand new and give us a State of the Union address in the Boys and Girls Clubs of Elkhart County, Tami.
So countywide, we have about 3,000 members. Every day we have about 1,500 kids walking through our doors. So we're off to a great start this school year and ready to keep rolling throughout the school year and helping our kids, give them every opportunity possible.
What are some big after-school projects that you guys are working on this fall?
Oh my goodness. So we have tons of different programs happening across the county in our clubs. And so we have some programs. We have one right now called Swift Tea. It's a Taylor Swift themed group for our youth and they're loving it. We have Jedi training, which is some smart moves programming that we do with our kids. We've got basketball, flag football. We've got a lot of different programs. There's something for everyone in our clubs, ages 5 through 18.
And how do people get involved if they want to?
So parents, guardians, just sign up. There's a $30 membership fee. You can go online to greatfutures.club and that's how you can get started, or you can pick up an application in a club or give us a call.
Look, you've got great amenities. We've got some highlights on our screen right now, but I feel like the faculty is just really what makes the place. Would you agree? I mean, the kids just have such a beaming smile on their face with all these various activities, Tami.
They do, and we always love it when they don't want to be picked up. They don't want to leave club. You know, they'll say, "Can you come back later and get us?" They have a really good time, and it's because of our partnerships, like with Bill's Collision, which is so much more than just a body shop. But they partner with us, and they're at all of our events, and they make sure that our kids are provided for, and that we're able to offer these wonderful opportunities for kids.
Sam, what does it mean to give back in the community? You're not just helping people restore their cars, but you're making an impact on young people's lives.
It's just, we appreciate all of our customers, whether they're little or big. You know, the parents are the ones driving their kids to the Boys and Girls Club. We want them to look good going in, getting picked up, things like that. So we just appreciate our community, and the best thing we can do is give back just as much as they've given to us. So
I love when friends can become friends here on Hometown Living. It's awesome, whether you're fixing cars or helping young people. And you're working on this big blue door project. You got to tell me about it, because you brought it here on Hometown Living too.
And we brought one big blue door here for you. And you'll see these throughout the community. And when, you know, it's representative of what we provide and offer for our kids. So when they walk through, you know, these doors, they're walking through to endless opportunities and experiences. And we brought one blue door, but we know that it takes one business, it takes one mentor, it takes one meal to keep a child from being hungry, it takes one cool experience to spark an interest for a lifetime, it takes one friendship, it takes one tutor, it takes 1 hour of homework. You know, all of these ones add up to a fulfilling life for our kids. And so we have these doors, and it's part of our monthly giving. And so we're advocating and promoting the fact that you can give one gift a month, and how that adds up to snacks for our kids and providing these music programs for our kids and our youth. And we're really proud and excited to have these blue doors up in the community. And thank you to Bill's for having one up there in Middlebury as well.
Absolutely. So right next to the blue door, when we do have it at our shop, we're also going to have a box, and we are opening our office to having a sweatshirt and mittens drive, and just taking donations for sweatshirts, for kids, for mittens, things like that. Just to keep these kids warm if they need be, if they forget them at school and need them, you know, at the clubs and things like that. So our office will be open Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Anyone can stop by and drop off anything they're willing to donate. I know finally seasons are changing. We're getting to the cooler weather, so everyone that's going through your closets and, you know, picking things out they don't need anymore will be a spot that you can drop that off.
It's people like you that make this community really, really special. We do appreciate your time, Sam and Tami, and it's great to have friends here on Hometown Living.
Yes,
Thank you.
Let's get some more information on our screen. First, with Bill's Collision Service, there's their website. Give Sam and her wonderful team a call as well if your car is in danger. Also, we can't forget about the Boys and Girls Clubs of Elkhart County. Give Tami and her team a call. Also, visit their wonderful website. You can't miss the Blue Door around northern Indiana.